In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused, so you can create a thumbnail quickly and confidently without getting lost in the interface. Start on the main Canva dashboard. At the top left, click the plus sign to create a design. This opens a quick search where you can find preset sizes. In the search field, type YouTube thumbnail. You'll see the option labeled YouTube thumbnail with the correct size of 1280 by 720 pixels. Go ahead and click that. This size is the YouTube standard, using a 16:9 aspect ratio, so your thumbnail will display properly across computers, tablets, phones, and TVs without awkward cropping. Canva will open a new, blank canvas for you to edit freely. Think of this space as your billboard. Your goal is to communicate the topic at a glance. Keep your main message short and punchy, often just a few words. Choose a bold, readable font and make it large enough to stand out, even when the thumbnail is small. High contrast is your friend. Pair light text with a darker background or dark text with a light background to keep everything legible. Consider a focal point, like a product, an object, or a clear expression if you're using a face. Use color intentionally to match your channel's style, and repeat the same colors and fonts across videos for a cohesive brand. To make text pop, place it on a solid shape or a subtle gradient, and avoid busy backgrounds right behind your words. As you place elements, use Canva's smart guides to align objects cleanly. Leave a comfortable margin around the edges, because some devices and interfaces slightly crop thumbnails. Keep critical text and important details away from the corners. If you're unsure about readability, zoom out to a smaller view to simulate how it looks on a phone. If it's still clear, you're on the right track. Less is often more. Limit the number of fonts and colors, and avoid cramming too many details into a small space. Aim for a clean layout with one strong idea. If you add imagery, make sure it's sharp and well lit so it doesn't look muddy when reduced. And that's it. From the Canva dashboard, create a design, search, and select YouTube thumbnail at 1280 by 720 pixels, and then customize the blank canvas with clear text, strong contrast, and a focused visual. With these fundamentals, you'll have a thumbnail that grabs attention and communicates your video's value instantly.